Look at I'm in the river. Look at the river. I'm videoing it. I'm inside the water. Yes. I'm inside the water now swimming in River Niger. Yes. Look at our country. Look at our country now. We are in the River Niger in our country swimming. Look at our country. Look at the people are swimming in the water. Can you look at the car inside the water? We are swimming. This is the country we are voting for. This is the country we are voting for. Look at the country that we are voting for. Nigeria. Look at it. Inside road. This is main road. Water is taking people away. Look at it now. We are voting. Look at I'm inside the river. Yes. Water is carrying me away. Water is carrying me away.